up in the car. Oh look, that's a pub. Right, sort of.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Hi.
You should have just gone for it once.
We're going back to an old-fashioned Irish walking tour videos. And, yeah, this is Galway City. Oh, it's pretty and all it's mud. Beautiful city, city of lights, city of culture and vibes and the views of the spectacular Dublin city, Galway. This is Galway. So you come up to this point here. That's lovely little street. And there we come to the walking street. It's just a verge of the Galway Street. It doesn't need to be. I love Galway. Galway. It's a lovely little country vibe. Just chilling, just killing, smoking his bud. But no, I love Galway. It's a lovely city. That was vibrant, full of people just doing their thing. Fantastic. Get the Christmas vibes out.
How do you call it?